Hi guys, welcome back to another video of Daily Grow. In this video, I'm gonna show you the best free keyword research tool for your website. So let's get started. So here I choose some premium keyword research tool, but they also have free version. So you can use this free version and find your perfect keyword. So here I first choose Ahrefs. Ahrefs is one of the most popular keyword research tool. Here you can find your keyword. Not for Google, also for Bing, and also you can find your keyword for YouTube and Amazon affiliate. So let's check a keyword. Here you can change your target country. Sometimes it's appear or sometimes not, so fill the captcha. So here you can see the all details of this keyword. KD means keyword difficulty, volume means the search volume of this keyword, and update means the search volume update on this date. So here you can see this keyword KD is 10. It's really good for a new blogger. If you are a new blogger, then choose less than 20 KD keywords, because this keyword rank faster than more than 20 KD keywords. So if you are a new blogger, then don't go for more than 20 KD keywords. Always choose less than 20, or if you find any keyword less than 10, it's absolutely good for you. So always try to find less than 10 KD keywords. It's ranked faster than more than 20 KD keywords. Also you can see this keyword search volume is 350. That means 350 people search for this keyword, and in future this volume is increased. So always make your blog future proof. Now go for the next keyword research tool is Chrome extension Ubersuggest. This is official Ubersuggest Chrome extension. So first use this and then select a keyword and check the all details in Ubersuggest official website, because Ubersuggest free version has limited keyword research. Let's check this. You can see Ubersuggest, the all keywords is here and all the volumes and search difficulty. First you choose the keyword. I choose this, what is LCP, and check this on Ubersuggest. Here you can change the country here and search. So here you can see the search volume is 170, search difficulty 30. This is really good keyword for a blog. Here you get also more information here. If you click this, you can see which website use this keyword. You can see here this website use this keyword. So first choose the keyword from Ubersuggest Chrome extension and put it Ubersuggest official website and get all the details. This is the way you don't reach the limit of Ubersuggest keyword research. Now go for the next keyword research tool is Google Keyword Planner. Just paste the keyword, get result. Here you can find all the details of this keyword. This is not only keyword research tool, also it helps to find the keywords of your Google Ads. So now go for the next keyword research tool is SEMrush. SEMrush is one of the most popular research tool in the market, and its price start from almost $200. Most of the people don't know the SEMrush has also a free version. I give the link in description. Create your free account, but keep your mind, don't create the trial version account, because in trial version you should give your payment details. So don't go for this. Just create your free account and search your keyword. In free version this is a limitation, but I think you should get your keyword in this limitation. Let's check this. Here you choose your country and search. Here you get all the details about the keywords. Here is the option KD. Click this and you choose lowest KD keywords. Click on easy or very easy. And you get all the keywords which has lowest KD. You can see here. So this is one of the best keyword research tool you can use. It's really good to find lowest KD keywords. So the next keyword research tool is Keyword Everywhere. This is also a Chrome extension you can use. If you search any keyword, so you get the details here. This is the related keywords you search for, and people also search for these keywords, so you can choose any keywords here. If you want a long tail keywords, also you can get these keywords. So these are the free keyword research tool you can use and grow your website. If you want any suggestion, just comment below. I definitely help you. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. Take care and see you in next video.